Hey, it's Marco, and today I'm going to show you two ways to turn off vanish mode on Instagram. But before we start with the video, please subscribe to the channel and like this video, it helps me out a lot. So let's open up our Instagram, and if you were to go to our DMs and to this person, now if you have vanish turned on, so at the moment I don't have it turned on, but what we do, you will know that vanish mode is turned on because at the bottom you will have like vanish mode is turned on. So to exit it, you would just hold down, and that way you would exit the vanish mode. And the other way is to go to the profile, and then here basically you can choose turn off vanish mode that way, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what's the problem and I'll help you in the comments down below.